Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. So from any screen, you've got telephone here. If I click on telephone, like so, that brings up another menu, enter number and so on. The phone is actually connected to it. But you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, hopefully you'll be able to see in the bottom right hand corner, it says settings, it says dial there and end call there. Each corner corresponds to one of these buttons. So there's 4 buttons around the rotary control. The bottom right one corresponds to this bottom right one, as you'd expect. So we click on that, which is settings. Then you've got telephone settings, call options, mailbox number and Bluetooth. So we scroll down to Bluetooth and then click on Bluetooth. Then you've got Bluetooth. If you're having trouble pairing your mobile, make sure there's an on in Bluetooth at the top. So you do exactly the same steps, but if we just wind down, you've got fine Bluetooth devices there and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want. So we select bonded Bluetooth devices and you see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. You've still got the settings button there. There's nothing else. So it can be a bit, misleading kind of thing. You don't quite know what to do. But if you click on it again, that brings up another menu and you've got delete device, hands-free, audio player as well. So delete device, do you really want to delete this device? Yes, the device has been deleted. The device has been deleted. It's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. First thing we do is we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is switched on, then we watch out at the bottom. We go over here to telephone, click on telephone. There's nothing connected at the moment. It says there, please connect mobile phone, search for new mobile. So that's on search for new mobile there, you see. Just click on that. Please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone and discoverability is switched on. It is, so we click continue. It's now looking for it. It should show up, well, it'll show up on the screen. And it should generate a random PIN code for you, so you don't have to put one in your phone and then enter it into the system. There you go, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, so that's what we're looking for. We select that, hands-free, select that. Connection's being established, please wait and just watch. There we go. Bluetooth pairing request 324722, 324722. So we click pair there and then we click yes there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. The connection has been established. Now where's it gone on here? There we go, Audi MM connected. So that's it, that's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the audio system in the 2016 Audi A1. What we do, we go to music, we'll click, well, I won't click anything at the moment, but if you see there, Audi MMI 1622, if I click on there, it shows you 2 choices. If I click there, music would play through the phone. There, the tick next to Audi, any audio from this phone, be it iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, the soundtrack of a video on YouTube, will play through the system if you have it set right. So Audi MMI, I'm going to turn it down, click play. Then we have to go over to the system and you've got media here. Click on media. It says there no medium inserted. So that's on a CD or auxiliary or something. We want source up here. As I said before, source, each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these. They don't look like buttons, but they are. There's 4 buttons around the rotary control. Source is the top right hand one. We click the top right hand one. It then gives you a choice. Navigation medium, empty, not connected, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that. That's showing the track that's playing. Now, if I turn this up, actually that's the volume, and then I turn this up. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Audi A1. From any screen, you've got radio, car, media, telephone, menu, nav. That's what we want, nav. So click on nav. Destination is at the bottom. You've got destination there and settings. Again, each corner, if there's an instruction there, corresponds to these 4 buttons around the rotary control. So we click destination. That's giving me the option here. If I wind up there, you've got town and postcode. Click on town and postcode. It's now giving you the rotary wheel. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need numbers. In the corners again there, delete, list, AAA 09. So we need 0 to 9 to get the numbers. So click on that and now we can get the numbers. So PR5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters E, A. That's us, PR5, 4, EA. Do I want a street? I could put a street, I could put Blackburn Road, but I don't need to. Not for this demonstration anyway. You just do the same thing, putting a street in. And then I just wind down to centre, click on centre. It's on start route guidance there, you see. Click on start route guidance.
The route is being calculated. Please drive to the route shown.
There you go. That's how you set the sat-nav. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.